Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking compatibility. Open About This Mac to confirm your model and macOS version, because Live Wallpapers need supported hardware and macOS permissions. Next, choose the source, a short MP4 or an app that converts GIF to desktop animations, and download a trusted wallpaper manager. Once done, allow the app in System Settings Privacy and Security so it can control the desktop. This step prevents permissions errors and makes the animated wallpaper run smoothly. You now install and configure the wallpaper. Open the app and grant accessibility and screen recording permissions so it can draw on the desktop and capture visuals if needed. Then import your chosen video or GIF, trim to the best 10-30 seconds, set loop behavior and playback quality to balance look versus battery use. Make sure to select if the wallpaper should animate on all spaces or a single space, because that controls multi-desktop behavior and avoids unexpected pauses when switching. You finish by testing. Switch spaces, open apps over the desktop, and lock/unlock your Mac to confirm continuous playback. If the animation freezes or disappears, relaunch the wallpaper app, revisit system settings to re-grant accessibility or screen recording, and reduce playback quality or resolution to lower CPU usage. Finally, make sure macOS is updated and prefer short, optimized videos. This prevents battery drain and keeps the experience smooth while explaining why performance tweaks matter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.